Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps can significantly reduce their risk of pneumonia. At Seniors Health Companion, we know how crucial it is for older adults to understand how to protect themselves from respiratory infections. Our immune systems change as we age, making prevention strategies even more important. By proactively managing your health, you can continue enjoying the activities you love and maintain a high quality of life. Let's explore how you can stay healthy and empowered. Pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs, which can fill with fluid. As we age, our respiratory system becomes more vulnerable. Think of it like an old yet treasured car that requires regular upkeep. Understanding how your body works is the first step in protecting it. Recognizing how infections like pneumonia occur helps you take steps to reduce risks. Let's delve into some key aspects of respiratory health that you should be aware of. Recognizing the signs early can prevent pneumonia from becoming severe. Common symptoms include a cough, fever, shortness of breath, and chest pain. Seniors may have more subtle symptoms, such as confusion or low energy, so it's important to pay attention to changes in your body. If you or your loved one notices any of these signs, contact your healthcare provider promptly. Staying informed and vigilant empowers you to act swiftly if needed. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports a strong immune system. Foods like garlic, spinach, and almonds are nutrient-dense options that help protect against infections. Try to include a variety of colorful produce in your meals. Planning meals ahead of time, batch cooking, and freezing portions can make healthy eating more manageable. Prioritizing nutrition helps ensure your body has the resources it needs. Gentle exercise, such as walking, stretching, or Tai Chi, can strengthen your respiratory system and boost immunity. Start with a few minutes each day, gradually increasing as you feel comfortable. Chair exercises are great for those with mobility issues, ensuring that exercise remains safe and accessible. Remember, it's not about intensity but consistency, and making movement a daily habit can greatly benefit your health. Regular medical checkups allow your healthcare provider to monitor your respiratory health and catch potential issues early. Vaccines like the pneumococcal and flu shots are essential for prevention. Clearly communicate any health changes to your doctor, as they are your partner in health. Knowing when to seek medical care ensures timely intervention, which is critical in managing respiratory infections effectively. Respiratory infections can affect your mental and social well-being. Feelings of isolation or anxiety are common but manageable. Stay connected with family and friends through video calls or safe, in-person visits. Engaging in hobbies or community activities can uplift your spirits and provide a sense of belonging. Practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques helps reduce stress, contributing to overall health. Remember, small lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on preventing pneumonia and respiratory infections. By staying informed, eating well, moving regularly, and keeping in touch with your healthcare provider, you're taking proactive steps. Embrace your ability to influence your health positively. Commit to one action today that will bring you closer to a healthier future, and celebrate every small victory along the way.